Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial. Have you ever tried to, just export a frame or a still from your edit and wonder how to do that? There's a few ways to do it, but I'm gonna show you guys first fastest ways that I like. So it does require some more prep, but after that one time you do it, next time it will just be really fast. So first of all, you come to DaVinci Resolve. We will come here and we will press keyboard customization and we will search for the command we want. So we want to export current frame file. Export. Here's a command, current frame as still. So export current frame as a still. As you can see right now, there is no keyboard shortcut for it. So in our last video where we created a shortcut for renaming a node, we gone through the ones that are still in dark gray are the keyboards that haven't been used before. But don't fret, because all this can be changed and customized as well, even if they're used. So in my case, I will want my new command, current frame as still, export current frame as still, to be F2. Alright, F2. And I will press save and I will press close. So now when I press F2, that will give me the option to basically export the frame. Export. And now that I go to my desktop, I will see that the still. Another way is if you're in the color page, you can to the viewer, right click, grab still. Now it will appear over here on my left gallery corner. Right click and click export. And same, I'll export it in my desktop, and voila. So this is the still that we just exported. And another way would be to come to the export page, and for me, I would just put an in and out point for the frames that I want to export, and then I'll just name it export. And we come to video. Instead of format MP4, we do JPEG. Okay. I'll also put it on my desktop once again. So everything is on the desktop. Add to render queue. Render. And it's done, completed. Point is my export still. So yeah, these are like 3 ways that you could export a still, but personally I find that me spending a little bit more time to create export current frame. Let me show you guys one last way to export. Come to the Fusion page and then right click, save image. You could choose JPG and export. So now we go to our desktop and we can see it once again. Yeah, so those are 4 ways that you could basically export one frame or a still as an image from your edit. Hope you learned something, and now you can generate any stills from any frames that you want really fast. So if you learned something, remember to like and subscribe and share it with your friends so we can continue to support this community. See you in the next one.